For over a century, the Panama Canal has stood as a testament to human ingenuity and global trade. This marvel of engineering has not only connected two vast oceans, but has also bridged the gap between distant markets, making the world a smaller place. The canal's strategic importance cannot be overstated, as it has played a crucial role in shaping the economic and political landscapes of the 20th and 21st centuries. This 50-mile waterway connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans revolutionized maritime transport. Before its existence, ships had to endure the long and treacherous journey around the southern tip of South America, navigating the perilous waters of Cape Horn. The Panama Canal provided a much-needed shortcut, drastically reducing travel time and costs for shipping companies. It slashed shipping times and costs, connecting distant markets. This newfound efficiency allowed for the rapid movement of goods, fostering international trade and economic growth. The canal's ability to accommodate large container ships meant that vast quantities of goods could be transported swiftly and securely, benefiting industries and consumers alike. The Panama Canal became a symbol of globalization, facilitating the flow of goods and people across continents. It enabled countries to engage in trade more freely, breaking down barriers and fostering a sense of interconnectedness. The canal's influence extended beyond commerce, as it also played a role in cultural exchanges and the movement of people, further knitting the global community together. Its impact on global trade is undeniable. The canal has been a critical artery for the global economy, ensuring the smooth flow of goods and resources. Its strategic location has made it a vital link in the global supply chain, supporting industries ranging from manufacturing to agriculture. The canal's construction was a feat of engineering and perseverance. The project faced numerous challenges, including difficult terrain, tropical diseases, and the sheer scale of the undertaking. Yet, through determination and innovation, these obstacles were overcome, resulting in one of the most impressive engineering achievements of the modern era. It involved excavating massive amounts of earth, constructing complex lock systems, and overcoming formidable challenges posed by disease and difficult terrain. The construction required the labor of thousands of workers who toiled under harsh conditions to bring this vision to life. Their efforts laid the foundation for a structure that would stand the test of time. The United States, under President Theodore Roosevelt, played a pivotal role in the canal's completion in 1914. Roosevelt's vision and leadership were instrumental in driving the project forward, ensuring that the canal would become a reality. His commitment to the canal underscored its importance to American strategic interests and global influence. The Panama Canal quickly became a strategic asset, solidifying the United States' position as a global power. Its control over this crucial waterway allowed the U.S. to project its influence across the globe, facilitating military and economic operations. The canal's strategic value was evident during both World Wars, where it played a key role in the movement of troops and supplies. The Panama Canal's impact on global trade is immeasurable. It has been a cornerstone of international commerce, enabling the efficient movement of goods and resources. The canal's role in shaping global trade patterns cannot be overstated, as it has facilitated the growth of economies and the development of new markets. It has facilitated the growth of international commerce, connecting major economies and fostering economic development. The canal's ability to handle large volumes of traffic has made it an indispensable part of the global trade network. Its continued operation is vital to the health of the global economy, supporting the flow of goods and services across continents. The canal has also shaped geopolitical dynamics, influencing alliances and rivalries among nations. Its strategic importance has made it a focal point for international relations, with countries vying for influence over this critical waterway. The canal's role in global politics underscores its significance beyond mere commerce, highlighting its impact on the broader geopolitical landscape. Its importance to global trade is undeniable. The Panama Canal stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of international cooperation. Its continued operation is essential to the functioning of the global economy, ensuring the smooth flow of goods and resources across the world. As we look to the future, the canal will undoubtedly remain a vital link in the chain of global commerce, supporting the growth and development of economies worldwide. Now, a new chapter in global trade is being written. The world is witnessing a transformative shift, one that promises to redefine the dynamics of international commerce and logistics. Mexico, a nation with a rich history of commerce and a strategic location, is stepping onto the world stage with a bold, infrastructure project, the Interoceanic Corridor. This project is not just a testament to Mexico's ambition, but also a reflection of its potential to become a pivotal player in global trade. This ambitious undertaking aims to reshape global shipping routes and position Mexico as a major player in the 21st century economy. By offering an alternative to the Panama Canal, the Interoceanic Corridor is set to become a game-changer in the logistics and shipping industry. The Interoceanic Corridor will span the narrowest point of Mexico, the Isthmus of Tehuantepec. This region, rich in history and culture, is now poised to become a linchpin in global trade, connecting two major oceans and facilitating the seamless movement of goods. This 188-mile corridor will connect the Gulf of Mexico to the Pacific Ocean, providing an alternative route to the Panama Canal. The strategic importance of this corridor cannot be overstated, as it will significantly reduce transit times and costs for shipping companies. At its heart lies a state-of-the-art railway, designed to transport cargo quickly and efficiently across the isthmus. This railway is a marvel of modern engineering, equipped with the latest technology to ensure the swift and safe movement of goods. This railway will be complemented by modernized ports on both coasts capable of handling large cargo ships. These ports are being upgraded with cutting-edge facilities to accommodate the increasing volume of trade and ensure smooth operations. This is not just about building a railway, it's about creating an economic powerhouse. The Interoceanic Corridor is envisioned as a catalyst for regional development, spurring economic growth and fostering innovation. Mexico envisions the Interoceanic Corridor as a catalyst for development, attracting investment and creating jobs. The project is expected to generate thousands of jobs, both during the construction phase and once the corridor is operational, providing a significant boost to the local economy. The corridor will be flanked by 10 industrial parks, offering prime locations for manufacturing, logistics, and other industries seeking to capitalize on this new trade route. These industrial parks will be equipped with world-class facilities, making them attractive destinations for businesses looking to expand their operations. The global business community is taking notice, with international investors and companies expressing keen interest in the opportunities presented by the Interoceanic Corridor. This project is set to put Mexico on the map as a key player in the global supply chain. Beyond infrastructure, the corridor is also a hub for technological innovation. Research and development centers are being established to drive advancements in logistics, transportation, and sustainable practices, ensuring that the corridor remains at the forefront of global trade for years to come. The benefits of the Interoceanic Corridor extend beyond economic gains. The project is also focused on community development, with initiatives aimed at improving the quality of life for local residents and preserving the rich cultural heritage of the region. Environmental sustainability is a key priority, with measures in place to minimize the ecological impact of the corridor. Conservation efforts are being undertaken to protect the natural beauty and biodiversity of the Isthmus of Tehuantepec. As the Interoceanic Corridor takes shape, it stands as a beacon of progress and a symbol of Mexico's vision for the future. This bold move is set to transform not only the nation's economy, but also the global landscape of trade and commerce. The Panama Canal, despite its historical significance, is facing challenges. Its aging infrastructure requires constant maintenance and upgrades to accommodate modern megaships. These upgrades come at a cost, leading to increased transit fees for shipping companies. These rising costs are putting pressure on global supply chains, already strained by recent disruptions. Droughts, exacerbated by climate change, pose a significant threat to the Panama Canal. The canal relies heavily on freshwater reserves to operate its locks. As droughts become more frequent and severe, water levels in the canal's artificial lakes have dwindled, forcing authorities to impose draft restrictions on ships. These restrictions limit the amount of cargo ships can carry, leading to delays and increased shipping costs. The canal's vulnerability to climate change is a growing concern for the global shipping industry. It has exposed the need for alternative routes to ensure the resilience of global supply chains. Mexico's Interoceanic Corridor emerges as a timely solution to the limitations of the Panama Canal. As global trade continues to expand, the need for efficient and reliable transportation routes becomes increasingly critical. The Panama Canal, while a marvel of engineering, faces challenges such as congestion and limitations on the size of ships that can pass through. This is where Mexico's ambitious project steps in, offering a viable alternative that promises to revolutionize the way goods are transported between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The project leverages Mexico's geographic advantage, providing a shorter route between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. By utilizing existing infrastructure and enhancing it with state-of-the-art technology, the Interoceanic Corridor aims to create a seamless and efficient transportation network. This strategic location not only reduces travel time but also minimizes the environmental impact by cutting down on fuel consumption and emissions. While the Panama Canal stretches for 50 miles, the Interoceanic Corridor's railway will cover a distance of 188 miles. Despite the longer distance, the railway's design and technology will ensure faster transit times. The corridor will bypass the bottlenecks and delays often experienced at the Panama Canal, providing a more reliable and predictable route for shippers. This shorter distance translates into reduced shipping times and lower fuel consumption. The efficiency of the railway system will be a game-changer for the logistics industry, offering a cost-effective solution for transporting goods across continents. By reducing the time and resources needed for shipping, the Interoceanic Corridor will help businesses save money and improve their supply chain operations. The heart of the Interoceanic Corridor is its modern railway system. This railway is designed to handle high volumes of cargo with speed and precision. Equipped with the latest technology, the trains will be able to operate at high speeds, ensuring that goods reach their destinations quickly and safely. The railway will also be integrated with advanced logistics systems, allowing for real-time tracking and efficient management of cargo. This is not your grandfather's railway. It's a high-speed, high-capacity freight line designed to move massive amounts of cargo quickly and efficiently. The trains will be capable of carrying double-stacked containers, maximizing the amount of goods that can be transported in a single trip. This innovative approach will significantly reduce the number of trips needed, further cutting down on fuel consumption and emissions. The railway will be capable of handling double-stacked container trains, maximizing cargo capacity, and reducing transportation time. This capability is a key feature of the Interoceanic Corridor, setting it apart from other transportation routes. By allowing for more efficient use of space and resources, the corridor will help meet the growing demand for fast and reliable shipping solutions. The project also includes significant upgrades to the ports of Salina Cruz on the Pacific coast and Coatzacoalcos on the Gulf of Mexico. These ports will be transformed into modern, high-capacity hubs capable of handling the largest cargo ships. The upgrades will include new loading and unloading equipment, expanded storage facilities, and improved logistics systems to ensure smooth and efficient operations. These ports will be expanded and modernized to accommodate larger cargo ships, ensuring seamless cargo transfer between ships and trains. The integration of the ports with the railway system will create a cohesive transportation network that streamlines the movement of goods from sea to land. This holistic approach will enhance the overall efficiency of the supply chain, making the Interoceanic Corridor a vital link in global trade.